Good morning, everyone. The kittens are playing again. Oh, oh. They're now 3 weeks and a half. Hi, Mama. How are you? Hiya. What are you doing? What are you doing? And now they have mastered the art of walking in the last 2 days, 3 days. Yes. And the art of meowing as well, very loudly. And they're very, very playful. Hi. Hiya. And there is one. As you can see, they're a handful of trouble. Aren't they, Mama? They are, aren't they? Oh dear. Yes, you are. Oh, there he goes. Now there's only one left there. And this one is still looking at what I'm doing. He doesn't trust it. Hiya. Hello. Oh dear. It's a camera. Oh my word. Hide. Hide. There you go. What is it? What is it? Oh no.